Hey, this is the Mailchimp SMS campaign. I named this campaign Welcome SMS campaign. So when anybody sign up for SMS, that means when any contact upload with phone number, then that person will be available for this campaign. So the first trigger is send fast SMS. So this will be fast SMS, and this will be SMS text. So when I edit, you can see there are simple options. So this account for Canada. Uh, so Mailchimp are still now support 4 country: Canada, US, UK. So 4 country zone. Okay. So this is the simple, and it is writing in French language because my client want to send SMS on into French. So you can see this text take 3 credit. Okay. So we there we have 1000 credit, and the cost approximately 28 euro. So this SMS will cost 3 credit. Okay. So this is how we can make this. So the most important thing is, so there is a command. So if anybody write stop, then he will be unsubscribe. So there is option. If I click this, you can see the stop will be default, but I want to customize. That's why I am unclick this, and I write all the command like stop for unsubscribe, and yeah, and this is yes, and this is no. Yes, no for if else condition. Okay. So this is the simple, and I added first name here. Just I write like star f name star. So the first name shortcut came here. So this how I made the first message. So after send the first message, customer can reply like yes or no or stop. They have 3 options, right? So if they click right stop, then he will be unsubscribe and didn't get any SMS in future. And if he write yes, then he will get the second. Okay. So there is a condition. So I applied the logic like, so I need 2 options, right? I need 2 options, like I did the filter on if else SMS subscription is subscribe or unsubscribe. So for yes condition, all subscriber will be go with this, and no means nobody go there. So I need all condition match. So I did unsubscribe. That means which person are subscribed for this. No, yes will not work, but no will work, and the subscribe person with this path will send. So if anybody click reply yes, he will get the second message, and if anybody reply no, then he left from this campaign. Okay. So this is how the Mailchimp SMS campaign works. It's not so complex. Okay. So after that, second message will send. Let me show you. So this is the second SMS. So there is the option yes, no, and stop. So instructions are same. So but I added some extra like if the second in the second message people type no, then he should get the second message no SMS. So little bit extra SMS here, not so complex here. And if he click yes, then he will get the third one. You can see this is the third one. Okay, so my journey is not completed yet. So this is the third, and let me check. Okay, if yes, send the fourth. Okay, so this is the last. So if yes, I should send this. I should send this SMS. So yes, so I need to copy the if else condition. Like, let me click here and copy, and I will paste it here. Okay, so condition are match, and if he click yes, so he will get. I will just copy and paste the SMS because they are pretty same. So let me check here. Okay, though I need to save it here, and I will edit this. Okay, so let me paste the text here. Oh, I see. So there will be something. Okay, let me delete everything. Okay, I need to just decorate to look good. Let me show you how I can enter the first name. So the first name is here. Okay, so copy. Okay, I can just let me delete this part. So how this SMS will look like? I think this ball cannot put here look good. I can put this here. So as your design sense, it's not too necessary. Okay, so this is the fourth email. Okay. Yeah, so let me check again. Yes, so the SMS is complete here. And Mailchimp do auto save, but you need to do click save for rename. Okay, for message. And what will happen if no? If no, then he will get this. Okay, so I need to copy this condition, copy here and paste the no condition, and I will copy this and paste here. So I need to rename like no. Okay, so I need to edit the okay. Okay, I just delete everything and paste here, and I need to do the rename. Okay, and I will do a comma. Okay, I think it's better now. So let me click save here, and I will click save. So my campaign is almost done, you can see. So this is the automation. So let me summarize. So when anybody sign up for SMS, he will get the first message. Then I put the if else condition, like if I the uh, my first condition is subscription status. Okay, so this is the, so if subscribe, that means when people subscribe, it will go with yes and don't go with no. So it will cover this yes part. And if and unsubscribe means, so those people are on this campaign, they are already subscribed, so no unsubscribed people there. That means all subscribed people will go with no section. So this is my logic. You can do with other logic if you need. So if yes, he will get the second SMS. If no, he will exit. And after that, another if else condition, same. If yes, third SMS. If no, he will get second message no. Okay. Okay. Then if okay, then if yes, then fourth SMS go. If no, I need to rename like hard message no. Okay. So so this is the so this is the campaign, and Mailchimp are upgrading day by day, and it's pretty better now. So you can use Mailchimp for your any type of business. Mailchimp have huge option like website, landing page, hosting service, everything. So I think this video will helpful to you. For any issues, just comment in below. Thank you. Have a nice day.